Hello friends, today I will show you how to make full screen for the VirtualBox Windows 10 image. So I am already running the VirtualBox Windows 10 operating system. So as you can see here, so this is not in the full screen mode. If I go and click on full screen mode, you can see all this dark space, so it's not having the complete full screen. I want to use my complete screen and make this Windows 10 as full screen mode. So let's see how we will do. So before going to make it full screen for the Windows 10 VirtualBox operating system, first we have to shut down our Windows 10 system so that we can do some settings change. So select the VirtualBox image, click on setting and go to storage. Click on, if just verify that you have this VirtualBox. If you don't have, then click on this icon and click on the CD icon as displayed here. So and after clicking on, leave it empty, as I already have one VirtualBox, so I will delete this as I don't need to install this VirtualBox guest edition. Click on OK. Now start the Windows 10 operating system in VirtualBox. Now Windows operating system has been started in my VirtualBox. Go to device and click on insert guest edition CD image. So it will install this guest edition into my image. Once this is installed, click on full screen and it should work. So once your Windows operating system is started, you won't be able to see the full screen still now. So click on File Explorer, this PC, you can see this VirtualBox guest edition. Double click on this and install the virtual VBox Windows edition. I'm using 64-bit. Let me install the 64-bit guest edition. So let me put the default location and put it install. Let the process finish. It will ask couple of times to trust this Windows operating system. So right now it is setting up. See, it's working out. So I need to reboot the system. So let me reboot and let's connect again. So friends, my Windows 10 system is started now. So here it's Windows 10 operating system on VirtualBox is running, and this is my Windows 10 operating system. So as VirtualBox edition has been installed, let's put it on the full screen and see. Wow, see, now I can have the complete viewable screen. There's no black mark and I can now, my view has been increased. Superb. So friends, if you like my video, if you like my solution, do subscribe to the channel. Bye bye for now. Thank you.